welcome back to my channel. I got something different today. God, this light is really strong, isn't it? Let me just see if I can up it a bit. That's better. Hello, thank you for joining me on my channel. I got something exciting today. I've got a new product that I've come across, and this is a recommend actually from Ameen Williams, who, if you've not seen her videos before, her videos are absolutely hilarious. She tells it as it is. She does swear. She is crude, but I do listen to her, and she's an influencer, and she's influenced me to buy a few products. And one of the products she's influenced me to buy is this from Alliexpress. I couldn't think then. This is o.two.o, and it's a contouring palette, and it's in rose gold. Now, I wouldn't say this is a contouring palette by any stretch of the imagination. I would say this is a highlighting palette. This is in colour 04. Now, it has got on the back here that it's cruelty free. I'm hoping it is cruelty free, because I'm very, very much a believer in buying cruelty free products. So I hope it's not like a wool pulled over your eyes sort of scenario. It says here, with multitasking elements such as contour powder, highlighter and blusher or bronzer. I wouldn't say that there's a contour colour in this, and I wouldn't say that there's a bronzer in this either. It's the ultimate face definition kit, definitely not. In one neat compact designed to suit all skin tones, absolutely not. Face form in light isn't ideal for light skin tones. Used in conjunction with powder foundation for a flawless finish. Now, again, I can't use powder foundation because my skin is just so old and wrinkly. So I think it's a bit bad really to put that. But even so, it says here, hypoallergenic, hypoallergenic, dermatologist, it does say dermatologist tested. Oh, God, what is wrong with me today? Tested. So, by all accounts, it looks like it's the real deal. As in like a real proper product rather than a rip-off product. But it doesn't actually say where it was manufactured anywhere. I'm assuming like the China, People's Republic of China. It's got nothing on there at all about like, it's got ingredients: talcum powder, mica, magnesium, stearate, may contain. There's got like some items on there that it may contain, but that is it. But do you know what? This was £2 something. You're not going to complain at £2, are you? Now, normally at this stage I would say let's do a close-up, but honestly I've used this so much I don't really want to do a close-up because it looks so used and so worn. Now, just want to say this does remind me a little bit of these 3 colours that have just come out from Makeup Revolution. Makeup Revolution, love. So let me just get this in the right order so you'll see what I mean. These I got yesterday. So there's the gold. Oh God, what am I doing? Okay, let's do it the way around. Okay, see what I mean, right? I hope I don't drop these because these are likely to break if I drop them. Yeah. You get the drift, the gist, the lowdown, the information. But do you know what? I am so glad that I bought this little palette. I mean, do you know what? I didn't think this was little when I first got this. I thought it was quite big. But the fact that one of these is actually the same price. No, it's not the same price. Same size, near enough. You actually get you get 7 grams times 3. Hang a minute. So that's saying that 7 grams times 3, so that's 21 grams. Yeah, this is 12 grams, and I can tell you now, this feels heavier than this, and this is 12 grams. I'm not sure. I think it's 7 grams in total. I don't know. But yeah, this is different. I can't tell you who the seller was because I don't know, because I haven't got the details on my Alliexpress anymore. It does look chalky to the eye. But I'm going to swatch them. So this is like your platinum colour. This is going to be your rose gold colour, and obviously this is going to be your gold. So those are those 3 colours swatched there. Now, can you see what I mean by that? They do look chalky on the finger. And it's always good to have a dry finger. So they're quite chalky. So let me just swatch these on my arm and just look at these. Now, how amazing, I mean, like this gold, rose gold colour, how amazing are these? I mean, they are just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I have been raving on my Instagram about these. I mean, I think that the colours are just beautiful. I mean, they blend really nicely. Can you see how beautiful they're blending? I've just put pink all over my arm. But they are just really, really gorgeous. I really like them. Now, I do have rose gold on from Makeup Revolution on my cheeks already. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in my Kat Von D highlighter brush, and I'm just going to do down the centre of my nose to see if you can see it. And then my forehead. Now I can see that in the mirror. That is so pretty, look. I'm going to swatch these against the Makeup Revolution ones to see if there is a massive difference. So this one's Makeup Revolution, and this one is the o.two.o. Now on the finger already you can see that this is more glossy, more shiny, and then the o.two.o one is a bit more powdery. They're not the same colour, but that's the Makeup Revolution one, and that's the o.two.o one. Now I will say I do prefer the Makeup Revolution one, because that is extremely intense. But also I think, you know, for the price, I think that is gorgeous. I think it's really nice. I'm going to do the same with the gold. So my fingers are filthy, so I'm rubbing them on my jeans. Actually, I'm going to use my other hand. So the gold, which is incredibly intense. This is more yellow gold, and then the gold on the o.two.o product. So you can see totally different colours. So again, that's the Makeup Revolution one. Now, for my personal colouring, this one is more me, because this I think is going to be very, very good for darker skin. This is very, very similar to like Fenty Trophy Wife, I think. It looks very, very much of that ilk. Very much of that ilk. So we've done the rose gold, we've done the gold, so it would be really unfair now if we didn't do the platinum one. So now I thought that the platinum one out of all three was the chalkiest one out of all of them. and that goes for both products. So if you see what I mean, although on the finger this one is already more of a wet look than the other one. So the Makeup Revolution is this one here. No, it's this one here actually. Or is it? I'm just going to do that again. So the Makeup Revolution one is this one. I mean, it's more ice than the other one, I would say. And then this one is, yeah, that's Makeup Revolution, and that one is the O.two.o, and that is more shimmery, more wet look than this. But even so, I think for the money, I think that is pretty incredible. Pretty incredible. I mean, this on your hand, I mean, this does this no justice whatsoever. This one here, the gold, is so blinding when you've got it on. It's untrue. It really is just amazing. It's one of the most amazing products that I have used for the money. I think that, you know, you can get this on eBay. I think you might be able to get this on Amazon. I will see if I can find some links for you and put them in the description box. But I think I paid like £3 or £2.98 or £3 odd. And I think this is worth every single penny without a shadow of a doubt, because it's a lovely compact. It feels nice in the hand. It's the packaging itself is just amazing. I think the packaging is great. I've also bought this now for a friend and had it sent to them because I love it so much. So yeah, I mean, I think it's a fabulous little product. I think it's great. You know, the fact that you can spend that amount of money and get a really good highlight that's going to be just amazing. I mean, I do have, as you can see, the Makeup Revolution one on. So you know what, I'm going to be really naughty and see if I can show you. Let's take my little highlighter brush. I'm going to use the gold over the top of the rose gold, just so that you can you see that popping? I mean, it was popping before, but it's this side never shows up on camera, and then it's because the light isn't hitting. But that is gorgeous, isn't it? Absolutely gorgeous. I'm just going to use a little bit of this over the top of my lip as well. Just using my mirror. Don't know if you can see. A little bit on my chin. And what I like about this as well is it doesn't show up the texture on my skin very much, because I've got very texturized skin. Mind you, I am, like, you know, the wrong side of 40, so that isn't going to be a surprise. But I really like it. I think it's fabulous. I think it's just great. So yeah, I do recommend that. So yes, I will pop down the seller details in the description box so that you can go and find it for yourself. So anyway, thank you very much for joining me for this little quickie today, and I hope to see you again soon. Much love. Mwah, mwah, mwah. If you like my videos, then please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment down below if there's anything that you'd like to see me do. If you're getting bored of like my usual stuff, tell me. You know, I don't bite. Not unless you ask me to. But yeah, and if you want to know what I've got on my lips today, because I have been into trouble, because I'm never ever saying what's on my lips, this is a rose gold colour. And this is We Rule. Ooh. This is We Rule, and it's one of the Makeup Revolution lip kits. One of the metallic ones, which I adore, and I've been wearing this a lot rather lately, so I might have to get myself another one. So anyway, much love to you all. Take care now. Bye bye.